Guys, so I'm gonna unbox this water dispenser purchased from Amazon, paid like $100. I'll put the link on the description. Made in China. Here is some description, and let's open. I have two because it's from two different accounts, this one with Prime and this one with not Prime, but both came at the same time. Very well packaging. I think this is the top. So guys, here is the 5 gallon bottle, or you can use the 3 gallon, up to you. Both is comparable here. So now I'm gonna here's the dispenser upside down. See if anything here. Nothing. Okay, this is the bottom. It's pretty heavy. It's cooling and heating water. So let's just turn it around. It does not come with any bottle. I'm using my own. Okay, here is the quick look. Plastic, not a very good quality, but it's okay. I'm gonna connect it. $106 with tax. Let's just open this. There is the manual, water dispenser manual. This should goes in. You can keep something for like soda or something to keep it cold. Okay, let's open the top. Hot and cold sign. So guys, I already connected this with electric. Here you can see, and this is my old one. It went bad. It's not coming any hot or cold. Don't know what happened, but I wanna also show you. I'm refilling the water here. It's also coming from a filter. Okay, I do not buy from the shop. I used to buy, but then I install this. So when it's filled up, we just transfer it to there. So let's wait for it to fill up. I already cleaned this, and first 1 or 2 glasses I'll be dumping. But you see the height compared to this one, the white one. So now I'm gonna put it in. Okay. So guys, water is heating. As you can see, the power button is on. Okay, for the heat water to come down, you just simply put it on left and push it. Just come to the hot one. Let's see if it is hot. Still not hot yet. but it will be, and the water flow is pretty smooth. So guys, you can decide now if you wanna get one of them for $100. This was less than that from like couple years, but this one is a better one, obviously. And thank you. I hope you guys got a good idea, and like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.